The Election Commission of India has issued a stern notice to AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge for referring to Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a terrorist. The notice was issued on Wednesday, with the poll panel asking Kharge to explain his remarks within 24 hours. The commission said it has taken serious note of the comment, which was made a day before polling in Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. Kharge made the controversial remark while addressing a press conference in Chennai. During his address, he criticized the AIADMK's alliance with the BJP and questioned how a party rooted in the ideologies of Periyar and C.N. Annadurai could align with Modi. In the course of his remarks, Kharge referred to the Prime Minister as a terrorist, triggering sharp reactions from the BJP. Following the backlash, Kharge clarified that he did not mean it in a literal sense. He said his remark was intended to suggest that the Prime Minister was terrorizing political parties. Earlier in the day, a BJP delegation led by Union Ministers Nirmala Sitharam, Kiran Rijiju and Arjun Ram Meghwal met the Election Commission seeking strict action against Kharge. Meanwhile, the Congress alleged that the Election Commission's notice reflects that it is functioning as an attached office of the Union Home Ministry and described its conduct as an insult on the Constitution. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.